In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Asana using Zapier. This method is one of the easiest and most effective ways to connect these two powerful tools, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your productivity. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. We begin by opening Zapier. For those who might be new to this tool, Zapier acts as a bridge between different applications, allowing them to communicate and automate tasks that would otherwise require manual inputs. Now, once you're in Zapier, the first thing we're going to do is create a Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps and services to automate repetitive tasks, no coding required. Next, we need to set up a trigger from Airtable. Think of a trigger as the event that sets your Zap in motion. In this example, workflow, you could choose from a variety of triggers such as a new record, an updated record, or a form submission. Once you've settled on the most suitable trigger for your needs, it's time to connect your Airtable account to Zapier. Follow the on-screen prompts to ensure Zapier has the right permissions to access your Airtable data. With your trigger set, you'll need to select the appropriate base and table in Airtable. This means you'll decide which specific base and table you want to track for new or updated records. You should also choose a specific view, which helps Zapier know exactly what data you're interested in monitoring. Now it's time to add an action event over in Asana. In Zapier, an action is the event that completes your Zap. There are several action options when working with Asana. You can choose to create a task, update a task, add a comment, or even create a project item. Each action serves a different purpose, so select the one that best suits your integration goals. Connecting your Asana account will be the next step. Again, ensure you provide the necessary permissions so Zapier can interact with your Asana workspace effectively. Once your accounts are connected, the next crucial step is mapping your fields. This is where we translate the data from Airtable into Asana. For example, if you have a task name in Airtable, it could correspond to task title in Asana. Similarly, notes in Airtable could become a description in Asana, and so forth. Ensure each piece of data is correctly aligned between the two platforms to ensure a smooth transition of information. Finally, it's time to test and publish your Zap. Testing will allow you to verify that the integration works as intended. Make any necessary adjustments if things aren't quite lining up. Once everything looks good, turn the Zap on, and just like that, your integration is now active. This seamless connection will now work tirelessly in the background, automatically creating tasks in Asana each time a new record is added to Airtable. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Airtable with Asana using Zapier. You can now enjoy a streamlined, automated workflow that saves you time and enhances productivity. Thanks for following along, and happy automating.